All right, folks, it's 5 o'clock at the lake. And for a lot of you, that doesn't just mean it's time to drink. There's a whole nother meaning. Look at Brian over here using them M&K baits, tearing up the perch, bare hooked, jigging them up. Great job, Brian. Okay.
Oh, got one.
Tosh is over there ice fishing. Got his ice rod out. Look at him.
Ice fishing in the summer.
Getting them brim. Brian over there bare hooking some nice gills there with that blue twitch tail, twitching them right up. Right.
Look at my big rod and my big fish. And there's Brian's. Little, cheesy little.
That's a hog.
That's an Ohio fish.
Is it?
Dude, that's a beast.
Yeah, you might want to check him out.
You want to check him out.
That's a hog of a bluegill.
That's a beast.
He smoked that twitch tail.
Yeah, you did.
There you go. Nice brim. On a Casey Patton orange jig head. No waxy. Bait.
Broke out those M&K baits. Some of those gold jig heads from Mike's. Getting him big bull bluegill right now. If you can see me, I'll spin this around. That sun's real bright. But, yeah. These things are hogs. Look at that. That's a freaking hog, man. Let's see if I can get this out of here. There you go, gold jig. Got a little pearlescent, kind of monkey milk. With a tail, it's got some crazy action on it. Smoking them. Smacking them with the M&K baits. Look at there. Right there, under the weed pad. Yes, sirree. Some big bull gills, man. That's a Mick fish, ain't it? Right here, guys. That's what I'm looking for. These crappies are turning black. The water temperature's coming up. Caught this one on that little M&K bait. He's about a 10.5 incher. Right there, gold jig head, shimmering in that sunlight and that clear water. Right there, folks. These things are probably the most beautiful fish I ever seen in the world. I love crappie. Beautiful. Folks, it's going to be a good night out here on Indian Lake. The perch are biting on them baits too. You just smacked the living crap out of that M&K. Nice. I can't wait till the sun goes down. It's about to get real interesting out here on the lake. Perch are coming up. Crappie are coming up. Big bluegill. Brian's on them. We're all having great luck out here on the lake tonight. Waiting on that saw guy bite.
That's a fatty, really.
Yeah, that's a pretty nice one.
So we got a Indian Lake jumbo. It ain't a real jumbo.
Yeah, it came out from underneath the weeds.
Indian Lake jumbo.
Came out from underneath the weeds.
So it came out from the weeds.
Yeah, from the weeds.
Under that pad right there?
Yeah, right here.
Those weeds right. Wait.
Right there.
Those weeds.
Yep, close.
This.
A big old pad of weeds right under the boat lift.
Well, how did you ever catch it?
Dig it.
Jig it. First zone.
Yeah, let's go.
That's a nice white bass.
Yes, sir. Looky there. Smack that M&K bait. Big old white bass. Bobber down.
We'll take you.
Nice.
Figures that's what she.
All right. The saw guy bite is finally on. It is about 10 after 9. Pat down there rung the dinner bell and they started coming in. How big was that one, Pat? I do. I got a board. Yep. Saw guy are hitting. Smack that little gold jig head. Look at them eyes.
Soul guy. Soul guy.
Little gold jig head on M&K bait. Yeah, he tried to swallow it. Can I borrow somebody's finger?
Yeah, 1 second, Mike.
I don't know. Kenny.
How many fingers? Just one?
Yeah, one will do.
Look at that. That's a nice bass right there. That might be 12 inches. See if we can get a measurement on him.
I think he's going to be about.
I think he might
10.
be just a hair under, but
Yeah.
let's. Well,
I got a board.
yeah, I'd put him to be 12. Can I? Yeah, measure him up.
There you go.
Come on, bass. Come on. Here, I'm gonna have to show everybody if he is 12, because then they'll be like, oh, he's fishing with undersized. I'm guessing. Shoot court? No. No, he ain't 12. Gosh darn it. He's 11.
He's 11.
He's 1 inch away from being bait. I want to bass. From the third story. Another one.